Here's what you need to know for your morning as you get ready to run out the door, head off to school or work. Here's what's going on right now on the radar. Nice quiet picture. We did have some sprinkles that passed along the I-20 corridor. This morning we're starting off pretty cloudy. You look live outside over downtown Jackson. You see those gray skies. With the freeze warnings in effect tonight, it's time to take precaution and protect those plants. Want to check in on the forecast now? What you need to know as you head out the door this morning. The temps are incredibly mild. We have a dense fog advisory in effect until 9 o'clock, and this includes everyone in our viewing area.
We're actually working to dredge things out. The bottom is entirely made of stone.
In addition to the frequent thunder and lightning, we also have a high probability of hail. Starting off with some fog, but going to be mostly sunny in the afternoon. The high temps in the upper 60s today. What we're seeing on the radar is really nice quiet conditions. That's why it's so fantastic outside right now, because we don't have to worry about the rain.
Quinn, do you think you could tell me what the temperature is right now? 84.
NASA captured what looks like a tornado on the surface of the sun. Check it out for yourself. Temperatures in the plasma storm were measured at 2.8 million degrees Celsius. It's pretty much the same temperature here in Mississippi.
It was quite a night last night.
It really was. A lot of thunder and lightning. That may have woken some folks up last night, plus the tornado warnings that we had. But again, to update you, all of those watches and warnings are canceled. I've got a live view from the Alpha Insurance Skycam right behind me. This is that view of downtown Jackson I've been showing you through the morning, and now you can actually see the top layer of the fog. We're talking mainly sleet and freezing rain for central Mississippi with some snow farther to the north. We're already seeing that accumulate in the northern portion of the state and up towards the Memphis area. So if you have to head that way this morning, prep for some really treacherous road conditions. It is going to be very slick on I-55, especially north of Highway 82. Around the Jackson metro area, this transition from rain to freezing rain is occurring right now, and we're also seeing some accumulations of sleet, especially on bridges and overpasses. So be aware this morning. It is going to be tough travel times even around central Mississippi. I've already seen reports of ice on cars in Vicksburg, up to half an inch of ice in Yazoo City already. Same for Kosciuszko, half an inch of ice. Really mild this morning. We are at 70 degrees right now in Jackson. Same for Richland, 71 right now. Brandon, 70 Pelahatchie, 69 degrees right now in Leesburg. Now, normal temperatures that we wake up to this time of year are around 50. So this is about 20 degrees warmer than that. And we're continuing that warm trend all day long today. A lot of our temps again right now in the upper 60s and low 70s. Now on the satellite and radar, a lot of low cloud cover over the state, and you see some showers back to the north and west there. Those are going to stay off to the northwest throughout the course of the morning. Not really going to bother us too much until we get towards around the afternoon hours. That's when we could see a spotty shower or a thunderstorm in our area here. And if we zoom out on the big picture, what we have going on, low pressure well off to the northwest over the plains. That caused some severe weather in that direction yesterday. This whole system shifting eastward, and that cold front is going to pass through our state as we head throughout the course of the overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. Now, something else I want to point out to you today, the winds are going to be blustery. Not too bad right now coming out of the south at 9 miles per hour, but could be up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour out of the south later on today, helping to bring in that warmth and that moisture off the Gulf. Your high temps today, 86 Raymond, 85 Hazelhurst, 84 in Vicksburg, and 84 today Natchez. Very similar to the heat and the humidity that we dealt with during the day yesterday. Now I want to go through that hour by hour forecast. Not seeing much happening during the morning and early afternoon, but as we get into the late afternoon and evening, spotty showers and thunderstorms developing, especially off to the northwest up in the Delta area. That's going to be the case through around midnight, and that's when we have that potential for severe weather developing. Biggest concerns are hail and gusty winds. That's going to zip through the state during the overnight. By tomorrow morning, it will weaken, but we'll see some scattered rain and thunderstorms during the morning commute tomorrow. It pushes farther south during the day, generally going to be stalled out there as we head from Friday afternoon straight through the weekend. That's going to keep that storm threat off to the south, and the temperature is going to be in the low 80s, both on Saturday and on Sunday. Again, today we're going to see spotty rain and thunderstorms developing in the late afternoon and evening. Tomorrow, rainy and stormy during the morning commute. Those storms shifting southward as we head from Friday afternoon through the weekend.